Meaning of freshwater.
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 Freshwater. Freshwater refers to water that contains low levels of dissolved salts and minerals, and is not seawater or brackish water. It can be found in lakes, rivers, streams, and underground aquifers. Freshwater is essential for human consumption, irrigation, and industrial use. However, freshwater resources are under increasing pressure due to population growth, climate change, and pollution. Sustainable management of freshwater resources is crucial for ensuring the availability of clean water for future generations. Protecting and restoring degraded freshwater ecosystems is also important for preserving biodiversity and supporting human well-being.